tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them.
Morning, guys. I didn't put on a lip gloss. Good morning. Today's the day of the car wash. 7 Humber Avenue. I have these glasses for years. If you check back my vlogs, back in day one, I have these glasses. Tired. So I'm heading to the car wash now. Damn, Malika. Tired lining on the forehead. Be glowing nonetheless.
What's your? Maybe say that on the blog.
Winnie. Why?
Huh?
Talk to you later. I'll talk to you later. He's staring me down. Yeah? Stare me down, Sava. Somebody message me on Facebook or Instagram saying. I don't know, like they want to talk to you. They think you are running page. Clearly. Alright, so. But I don't know. But I'll show you about another Wi-Fi. Later. Morning. What if I come and me walk?
No,
Later. Alright. Morning, baby. You don't know, morning. You don't know you're going to make a scholar. You know, for some reason, I have vlog night. You must have enough net too low. Scholar for the billing, you all want to do. Yeah, so I head to the car wash when I'm there. Maybe I'll show you some of the guys I work with at school. And big things later.
Adrian.
University of Technology Business Seminar 2019-2020. You know, I'm kind of so Tommy tired. If you respect people, they wash car. I'm not gonna lie. Zero. But just come here 9 o'clock and about 11 o'clock now. Tired, no mash up. Can't go now. Right now, you don't know my face. My face is easy to clear up. Least if you think clear up. You don't say go mash up later. Because the water will flash up on me. But today I go on trucks and I take it easy. I'm baking. Morning. Alright, later. So guys, this is everybody. This is Simone. This is Monique.
Alright. What is that?
Who are you? Hi, Skylight TV. This is Shari. This is Shireen. This is Kelly. Say hi to the vlog. She One Kiara come in. This is Vernon. Yeah, what's up? Watch myself. Come on, stay over here. Huh? This is Jordan. We don't have more sponge can help wash? Because they don't have no rag. Huh? Huh?
Share the weather to me. Share the weather to me.
Here it was. Guys, the day has been very long. I notice when I vlog these days, I'm not here, you know. Come on, I speak low. But the day has been very, very long. It's around about 4 o'clock now, and I'm still at the car wash. I don't here yesterday. Still at the car wash. However, I'm about to go home. I'm tired. Car wash was a success in my eyes and things. So if you guys still want to donate to the UTech seminar group, you can link me up. We are taking donations to meet our target to help the 2 charities. So big up on yourself. Remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe with the Motormania car wash. Big up to our sponsor Motormania. Big up yourself. You guys can stop by 7 Humber Avenue, Beatties. One more thing that I didn't tell you guys, we are taking donation for clothes. If you guys want to donate clothes, me always have some clothes to donate when I never wear. I'm punky. So we're going to donate clothes to the West Haven Children Home. This is a children home for disabled children, you know. So if you can help, if you don't have no clothes on one, donate or in any way, shape or form, you guys can definitely contact me. Follow me on Instagram at Melika Sky Life. And you can get me on WhatsApp at, the number is in the description box below. So donation for the kids would be really, really great. So yeah, that me I don't know.